Dosto, friends, amigos, welcome to my channel. I'm very excited today because I'm going to be unboxing the GoPro Hero8 Black. Recently, I started vlogging. Because of the lockdown, I was wondering what to do, and then I came across some new things and I figured, let me share my experiences on video. What have we here? So I have here a GoPro Hero8 Black with a lot of goodies inside, and I got myself a Chesty because when I go running, I want to record the wonderful scenes that I see every day. Let me start with unboxing the GoPro Hero8 Black. I got it off Amazon. It was an amazing deal. Yeah, nice packaging open, and what have we here? Wow, this is a 3-way grip arm tripod. I'm putting this right here. This is Kevlar screen protectors for the GoPro Hero8 Black. This is the actual GoPro Hero8 Black. Look how sleek it looks, how cool and how smooth, and of course how sexy. I can't wait to get this opened. So this comes in beautiful packaging of its own, and let me see how do we open this. Let me start with removing this cardboard cover. I'm a bit clumsy with stuff like this, but that goes with me. I put it here. Wow, look at this beauty. Do you know something, friends? Before selecting this, I checked out all the other cameras. I read, and I even took a couple of demos of other brands, but then in the end I decided to go with the best, and this is the best. Look at it. It's so sleek, it's so sweet. What have we here? The accessories. So we have here, I think this must be the stand for the tripod. This is a nice little cute rechargeable battery, a cable, and we know this battery is new because it has a tag which you have to pull out. Oops. Dropped it there, that's fine. And here we have, how do you open this? Oops, yeah, again, as I told you, I'm very clumsy. This is a small piece of paper which just says GoPro. I believe this is the manual. Unlimited cloud storage of your GoPro footage at GoPro Plus. Try it free at gopro.com/free plus. And damaged camera replacement, no questions asked. Product and safety features. Okay, so this is how to open it. Yeah. So there is a screw here. Oh, there we have it. The GoPro is out. Beautiful screen here. So here it is, the GoPro Hero8 Black, looking so nice. What do we have here? A small screen, a small display, a lens, taking the shot button, I think it's called the trigger button, the mode button, and here we have a nice way to unlock the camera portion. Here we unlocked it, and then nice. I have to be careful with this stuff. Yeah, okay, but this is here, and then we can put the battery inside. It's on. Oh, it's a nice touchscreen display on the back, which I have to configure, and I'll do it. And in the meantime, look at this here. So you have nice little flaps for putting the tripod on. Now let's open the other accessories I got with this. What do we have here? This is the screen protector. Nice. This is also very sleek. So it has wipes and a screen sticker which I will put on to the GoPro. And here we have the 3-way mount. Wow, looking good. I think quality any day. So this looks so nice. And what do we have here? How do we put this? Ah, okay, this is where the screw comes in handy, the one which I just moved. So this is a 3-way track. Oh, looks nice and big. And you can adjust it. And I think if you open this, wow, what do we have here? A nice way to mount it. So this can stand like this. Fantastic. Okay, let's see what else we have in the box. GoPro remote. This. Oh, nice. I got an extra rechargeable battery. Yep, here it is. The other rechargeable battery. Now just put this aside. And what do we have here? We have the Chesty packet. Let me open it. I think the name is kind of cute, but I also felt a little bit lazy because, you could have come with a better name than the Chesty. So here it is, the Chesty. Let me figure out how to wear this. Seems wrong. And looks nice. I think this must be, yeah, these are the straps. And seems a bit funny. Yep. Nice and snug. Oh, this is a handy adjusting thing. Oh, this is how you're supposed to wear it actually, not the way I wear it. It's as simple as this. Now, I look for, yep, this is the thing. Yep, I open this and yep, okay. So here I put the bolster on the camera. I just fix this now. And I'm very excited now. Yep, and I fixed it. And now that's it, folks. I'm ready with my GoPro mounted on my chest and I'm ready to go for a run and share my first vlogging video. So, dosto, friends, amigos, thanks a lot for tuning in. If you are watching on YouTube, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates about my running and calisthenics. And I'll also be doing running and calisthenics videos on Instagram, so you can follow me at Joginder Dhanikela on Instagram. Thanks a lot, dosto, friends, amigos. Until next time, bye.